Butter, son, butter. Yeah. Oh. You go first. Don't fall though. I'll be behind you. There you go. Yep. Right, here they go. Smile! What? Okay. Felt. It's called felt. It's called felt. Like, yeah, metal felt. That's the dumping called. They're not brakes. That's the racing one. Huh. Yeah, dude. There's more. I can't explain. What? Do you guys know where to go? Do you guys know where to go? Ah, cool. Cool. No. I do. Watch out. Don't worry about goofy or regular.
I'm sledding that way all the time.
Right?
Empress, how do you do it?
Heel, heel, heel. Don't go straight. Go ahead. Do not go straight. Heel.
What is heel?
Pressure on your back heel.
Oh.
That's how you ride it. See the point? Oh crap.
Empress.
Good. Yeah, the helicopter?
Yeah, they go to summit. Yeah.
Someone died. Yeah. This is how you ride.
Ow.
I bet you guys fell into the woods, huh?
No.
Yeah, you did. Pressure on the back heel. See? Back heel. Listen. If you keep doing what she does, you're gonna die. See? Listen. If you're gonna keep doing that, you're gonna die. Because down there it's steeper. It will be steeper. Do this. Do not go like this. Keep doing this all the way. And lean back slightly. See? I'm leaning back. Do not let the tips go. Back heel. What was? Oh, she did 360. That's the first trick. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Just keep doing that. Yeah. Back heel. Back heel. Do not. Yeah, there you go. No. Back heel. Yeah, there you go. No, do not. Yeah, keep going back heel. Back heel. Back heel again. Back heel. No, don't make it straight. No, keep going back heel. You're gonna die. I know. Don't go straight. Do not go straight.
Then what am I supposed to do?
This. Lean back a little bit. Okay? Now turn it. Lean back. Turn it and lean back. No, okay. That's why you do not go straight. You alright? Just lay down for a bit. Lay down. That is why you do not go straight. Oh, that's Peter.
You're good, let's go.
Oh wait.
You lift your seat.
Huh?
Drop it.
Hello?
What?
Huh?
Where you guys at?
Gunstock?
I know, I'm at Gunstock too.
Oh, this is Peter. Oh, we're at Smith. Yeah.
School to the left or?
No, we're halfway down.
Oh, shit.
You're halfway down?
Yeah, we're going slow because we're with them.
Oh, okay.
Where are you?
I'll be there.
Okay, alright, bye.
Gunstock, yeah, no. We're at Gunstock too.
No, because my phone number, it doesn't show up as a number. I mean, as a name.
Say that to your phone.
Huh? Oh yeah, I'll get that on tape, don't worry.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
Alright, so anyway. Don't, hey, listen.
Whatever happened to you guys?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
You go there. Let's go to summit, that's it.
Hey, it's gonna get steeper down there. Do not ever let the tip go forward. No, see? You're doing it wrong. Yeah, no, don't point forward. Do not, okay. No, don't turn, okay. Okay, like that. Like that, so you lean backward a little bit. Here, don't let this side. You're not even listening.
Okay.
Now you're gonna die. Pressure on the back heel. Put your pressure on the back heel. Like this. Try to bend your knees a little bit. Okay, yeah, no, yeah, keep it like that. Keep it like that. Nope. Yeah, stay like that. There you go. Pressure on the back heel. Lean back a little bit. Yeah, keep it like that. Stay like that. Just like that all the way. Lean back. There you go. No. At least you made it that far. That's pretty good. Now keep going. Just do. There you go. Lean back. No. Lean back. Put your pressure on the back heel.
How do you handle it so well?
Equal pressure.
Oh.
If you're going like this, Like that. I don't know. Yeah, just keep doing that. You'll learn.
All set?
Not really.
Oh,
Ooh. There you go.
where are they? Oh, they're down.
There.
You okay?
Okay. Aren't you girls gonna stay here or what?
Huh?
We're going to the summit.